Comes as the city of Minneapolis prepares for the upcoming trial set for a week from today. City leaders say they want people to exercise their constitutional rights safely, hoping they can avoid any damage or destruction like occurred in the immediate aftermath of George Floyd's death. Rob Olson joining us now live with details on the city's plans. Rob?
Yeah, another briefing today from the combined task force here that's called Operation Safety Net. And they talked, too, about all the additional fencing that you've seen now appear in downtown Minneapolis. A lot of it down at the courthouse on the other side of City Hall, around City Hall here in the jail, and across the street here, too, around the federal courthouse as well. Now, there's concerns that as much of this preparation may be needed, that may really kind of give off a bad appearance for the circumstances.
I can tell you the FBI is leveraging significant resources to ensure the safety and security of everyone involved in the trials.
As more barriers now appear in downtown Minneapolis, a week away from Derek Chauvin's jury selection, it's the most visible sign yet of how seriously law enforcement are preparing to prevent problems. And for the first time, the Operation Safety Net media briefing included both the FBI and the acting U.S. Attorney for Minnesota.
Make no mistake, we welcome everyone's right to be heard, and as Americans, we all understand the precious nature of our rights under the First Amendment.
What they all stress over and over is that they welcome peaceful protests, but the lesson learned from last May, they say, is to be ready to stop any violence or destruction, concerned about extremist groups or agitators.
There is no imminent, credible local threat to the trial today.
But this appearance of fortifications, which will extend across the Twin Cities this week, is part of the concerns of the Minneapolis City Council, addressed in a morning virtual meeting.
The fencing that you do see in place will be there throughout the trial and afterwards.
Okay, well that's quite an inconvenience, I'm sure, for a lot of people to have the government center closed for the length of the trial.
Concerns about the appearance of heavy-handed police response in a case that centers on police violence. Concerns it can itself fuel a state of confrontation.
I don't know what registers as peaceful protest to the officers who are going to be out there, and I do fear escalation.
The Minnesota State Patrol Colonel Matt Langer saying, though, to all those who say that, those concerns, they hear you, but again, they just say, look back to last spring, and we just don't want a repeat of something where we were caught by surprise. We're going to be ready. Now, an about-face today by the city of Minneapolis, who had planned to enlist the help of social media influencers to get out information. They were worried that they wanted to get accurate information out via channels that, for people who don't get their news via traditional methods, that came under fire, worried that it could be just sort of paid city propaganda. Today they said, we're not going to do that anymore. Back to you.